Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
Hi, Stella.
I have Willow.
We are now on the boat, waiting for it to load so we can take off. Here's the Canadian side scenic view. We spent about 45 minutes in line waiting to get on.
If you look to your left, you'll see the American Falls. It is 180 feet high, or about 55 meters. 12,000 years ago, the falls were 7 miles, or about 11 kilometers downriver at Lewiston. You see them now at their present location because of erosion. This happens at a rate of approximately 6 feet, or 2 meters a year. Most of the rock at the base of the falls fell during 2 spectacular rock slides in 1931 and 1954. The small falls to the right of the American Falls is called the Bridal Veil. The walkway at its foot leads to the Cave of the Winds. Separating the American Falls from the Canadian Falls is Goat Island. Our own new all-electric vessels utilize
Sorry news. We got done with the Maid of the Mist boat tour, and when we got back to dry land, I went to check to see how my video turned out, and there was nothing there. I am so disappointed and sad and angry. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's because I put it on time lapse or what, but when I got back, I could not find it anywhere. It was just gone. So here I am at one of the observation point lookouts, just looking back where we were, and just so sad that I don't have that video while we were down there. But we're not going to spend the $80 to go back and do it again just to get more video. So we're just going to plan on coming back again and trying again another day. But look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. So glad we came. I don't know why this bridge fascinates me so. I think it's cool. Summer wants me to look down, so I'm looking down. Oh, there's the boat, huh? Yeah, people are getting ready to get on. Yep. So we came over here to Horseshoe Falls. So we can just get these pictures since the other video failed. I will walk around the whole point. Terrapin Point and the falls. So you can see it from up here. Say hello to the roadies. Say hello to the roadies. Hey, Wiz. Hello, roadies. Yeah, we're gonna climb back up there.